Keeping it up with the US, and staying with the topic, the non-farm payrolls data that was released over the weekend that indicated that the economy added around 1.99 lakh jobs in November, and this is another sign of the labor market strength. Now, the unemployment rate that has dropped to 3.7%, and it beat the forecast of 3.9%. Now, various sectors it saw growth, with healthcare that led by adding 77,000 jobs.
And amid muted outlook and a disappointing year in the public market, an investor group has made an offer of $5.8 billion to take department store chain Macy's private. Now, reports suggest that this group includes Ark House Management and Brigade Capital, who believe that the company is undervalued. The offer for the Bloomingdale parent is at a 21% premium.
And shifting focus on China's consumer prices that fell the fastest in 3 years in November, and that was by 0.5% on year-on-year basis. It was steeper than the drop that was seen in October. In fact, it was the fastest decline in the CPI since November 2020, as the cost of food decreased at the strongest pace in over 2 years. Now, moreover, the data coming in, the factory gate deflation that deepened, suggesting heightening deflationary pressure as weak domestic demand that casts doubts over the economic recovery.
And a Philippine boat and a Chinese ship have collided near a contested reef in the latest territorial dispute between the two countries in the South China Sea. Both sides traded accusations over the collision as tensions escalate. The Philippine Coast Guard accused China of firing water cannons and ramming resupply vessels and a Coast Guard ship. It also accused China of causing severe damage to the engine of one boat. Meanwhile, China's Coast Guard said the Philippine vessel intentionally rammed its ship.